Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Belgium, and I just finished my 200 hours yoga course here in Rishikesh. It's an amazing place, not only the place we're at, but just being here in India and doing yoga from the root center where it all began. It's just amazing to be here. We've had teachers who are really passionate about what they're doing. For example, we had pranayama, which is learning a lot more about the breathing. We've had meditation to really calm our mind down. And they really explain a lot about how we have to do it in a proper way, which I never imagined that would be so beneficial to our lives. We've also had amazing yoga teachers who learned us about the adjustments, about how we have to go in certain poses. And as well, we've had anatomy and philosophy, which were one of my favorite classes we've had. The teachers were great. They explained a lot. They were funny as well. And as well, the group we had was just so loving towards each other. We were really one group, one family, which is amazing too. It makes me a bit emotional, but it is just amazing to experience this, and I would tell everyone to do the same thing at least once in their lives. Thank you so much.